Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.
Next one, next one, next one.
너 여기서 다 만나네. 어? 이내 눈깔 봐라. 승질은 여전하네.
You know each other?
어머 때는 먹여주고 재워주고 기술까지 가르쳐줬더니.
Oh, you know each other.
너한테 빚진 거보다 갖다 바친 게 더 많아.
Yeah, no one is gonna stop them.
네가 뭘 유관순이냐? 그럼 나가서 태극기라도 흔들든가.
네?
아 맞다. 나 북한 애들니까.
You're the one, yes. They are not there for the security, clearly. Square and... Okay.
여러분들은 앞으로 유일한
Too many
모두
people.
6개의 게임에 참가하시게 됩니다. 6개의 게임을 모두 이긴 분들께는 그에게 상금이 지급됩니다. 여러분들을 이곳으로 모셔온 과정은 보안 유지를 위해 어쩔 수 없이 취한 조치였을 뿐입니다. 진행 요원들의 얼굴과 신상은 참가자들에게 공개하지 않는 것을 원칙으로 하고 있습니다.
뭔가 불법 행위를 하고도 이런저런 핑계를 대면서 누군지도 밝히지 않는데 우리가 당신들 말을 믿어야 할 이유를 하나만 대봐.
나이 46세 전직 기쁨증권 투자 B팀 팀장 고객 기회지급을 무단으로 되돌려 주식 파생 상품
The guy was streaming everything for all of you.
택시부만 노상 재무 13억 9천 360원 박주 재무 부업 모두 감당할 수
Okay, you
없는
all
빚을
have financial
삶의
issues.
벼락끝에 서 계신 분들입니다.
But not the first guy. The first guy he said it's because of a brain tumor.
무슨 게임 합니까?
모두의 공정한 게임을 위해서 개인 정보는 사전에 공개할 수 없습니다.
상금이 대충 얼마나 되나요?
한 게임이 끝날 때마다 3D 전통의 상금이 적립될 겁니다.
It's a big...
상금의 수는 첫 번째 게임이 끝나고 모두에게 공개하겠습니다. 게임에 참가를 원하지 않는 분은 지금 말씀해 주시길 바랍니다.
Oh, you can't refuse to play. That's interesting. Once you're in, can't go out. I'm interested really by that first old guy, you know. His reasons to be there. What? It looks so fake, you know. Smile. Ah! You're the game master. It's pooh. A real... How do you say it in English? A maze. But it's a mask. How can you verify the identity of a mask?
야 상우야! 상우 맞네! 그럼 아까 그 소리 또 뭐야?
No,
빚이 있어?
it's your brother.
조상우가?
Someone is calling you, the mastermind.
This is the front man speaking. Preparations for the first game are complete. You can begin now.
You're next to the sea, to the ocean.
첫 번째 게임은 무궁화 꽃이 피었습니다입니다.
Red light, green light. It's also the name of the game.
이후에 움직임이 감지되면 탈락입니다.
It's the name of... In English of that game. In French it's 1, 2, 3 soleil, 1, 2, 3 sun. I don't know how to translate it in another way. You're gonna die if she saw you moving. No? It's gonna be only kids game? One, two, three.
324번 탈락.
Ooh! And that's how you understood that it's a dead game.
캐시하지 말고 일어나.
You just understood, all of you, that it's a game for which you can die. I would have died also during that game. Or maybe I would be paralyzed, you know. I would be in shock, in fact. And I wouldn't move. So many. If you think about it, if you're a psychopath, it's a good way to eliminate a lot of people from the beginning.
다시 한번 말씀드립니다. 다시 한번 말씀드립니다.
Is it gonna be only kids game, kids dead games? Ah! He's really playing the game. They're following him.
막상 등 뒤에 숨으면 괜찮지 않아.
The timer. Yes! All of the ones who are still gonna be there at the end, I think that they're gonna die. You have to go. Are you afraid, Anita? Clever girl. You didn't have the mask on.
지금한테 붙여줄까 이렇게 도전? 하지마. 떨지마 병신아.
Can you? The timer, and even if you will take him, he's gonna move, no? What? Your face, we want to see your face. I'm not sure that he was the guy, you know, on the train station. Grandpa is really enjoying the game. I'm wondering about the grandpa. Can it be a situation, you know, like in Saw? In fact, the mastermind of everything is inside, you know, to see everything. Your brother is safe, and he helped you also by telling you how it's looking. Oh! Who? Someone just saved you. Thank you. Thanks a lot, you. Jump! Jump, 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 guys! Who are you, you? Close to the ocean, really? Yes, that's it. On an island, okay. End of first game, end of first episode. I see. Okay, I'm gonna love this show. For sure. I knew that it was a show who could please me because I said it, I love stuff like Hunger Games, like also things which are happening in a closed space, like, you know, a lot of shows and movies like that. And I told you about a particular movie during this episode, like Saw, and all of the Saw movies and all that can please me. The first one, I really appreciated it, so really I knew that it could please me. It can really please me, this show, because of all of these reasons, because they are in a closed space, because there is a mind game behind that, because I can play also that mind game, trying to discover who is that person who organized that, but also trying to make series about it, and I have already a big one. Maybe that grandpa, I don't know why I'm focused on him. He is the first one who was picked. We know that, you know, they made that clear that there are this number of people. He was the last one who was picked because of that number that he has, you know, the 4, 5, 6. So he was picked first, and I'm under the impression that his reasons to be there are not the same than all of these guys. You know, what they put on screen is the fact that they are all there for financial reasons, because they have a lot of debts and they have to get that money. Him, what he said, you know, about his story and all, we know that he has a brain tumor. Why would he be there? Maybe he could be there because also of money reasons, he needs that money to have a surgery or something like that, but he didn't say it, and it's not the same than what the other guys reasons, you know. I'm sorry for the lights, it's moving a lot, I'm trying to deal with it. The other guys' reasons, they are there for financial reasons because they have a lot of debt. Him, even if he's right there because he wants that money to have a surgery or something like that for his brain tumor, it's still not the same thing. And he doesn't look desperate, you know, like all of the other persons who are right there, they are desperate. We saw that they all played that game, you know, with taking slaps like that to have money. Really something which is defining all of them, and the reasons why these persons picked them is the fact that they have financial issues, they are desperate, and they don't have a lot of pride also. You know, to accept to be humiliated like that with the slaps, to accept to play money games like that, to accept to be humiliated like that again, to have nothing to lose. That's really what is happening right there. They have nothing to lose, which is a little wrong for our guy, you know, the one that we discovered. Gian, I'm not sure that I'm pronouncing that right, I'm sorry if it's not the case. He has his daughter to lose. The fact that his brother is right there, I mean, his brother taking him to school and all, like they grew up together. Like for me, they are brother, and if they are not brother by the same blood, they are brother by the story that they shared, you know, all of these lives that they shared together. And right there, he helped you during the game. He told you how it's functioning, he told you about the timer, he told you about the fact that if you're hiding with someone, they can't see you. He told you a lot of things for you to stay alive, so maybe it can be a good ally for you. The other characters that we have to pay attention to, it's the grandpa, and really I have a big theory on your shoulders, grandpa, which is maybe totally wrong and all. Again, a lot of time I'm totally wrong with my theories, maybe it can be the case right there. The girl, the fact that she stole you all of that money and her relationship with that guy, I don't think that it's her dad now. I think that he was using her and he was already violent with her before, and maybe she was stealing stuff for him before that. The two of them and their relationship, that's gonna be interesting to follow. Right there she was clearly taking advantage of him. He was scared. You know, it was interesting the fact that before that, when they fought, he had the control of the situation because he was violent with her and all. During that game, she had the control of the situation. She was taking advantage of him, when we can imagine that before that, into the real life, he was taking advantage of her. So that situation was interesting because it was clearly the contrary of real life. Can it be the case for the future games, like maybe he's gonna listen to her more because she's clever and all? It can be interesting to follow that. So these two, the two brothers, the grandpa, And that guy who just saved you, I think that is gonna be one of the main characters also. He was nice to save you. I don't think that they know each other, and right there he just saved you. Thank you. Thank you a lot for that. About this mastermind, you know, we don't have a lot of things about him. I think that it's an him. We saw his hair. I think that it's an him, but I don't think that it's the guy, you know, who was into the train station who picked him. It would be too easy. Who can it be? We don't have clues about him. He has a lot of money, a lot of financial resources to offer a game like that, but also to organize it with all of these cameras, all of these financial resources that you have to organize something like that. He's really rich. He doesn't have a lot of friends. I don't know why I'm thinking that. He loves really classical musics. Not only classic ones, but also at the end, you know, the one that we had, you love your classics. He seems young, no? Can it be someone related, you know, to one of them inside of the game? To our guy, Jae-hoon? Again, I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing well his name and all of their names. I'm sorry for that, you know, if I made mistakes and if I'm gonna make mistakes with the pronunciations of their names. How many people did we lose during that game? Oh, that's one of my theory also. I think that all of these games, they're gonna be kids' game. Of course, people are gonna die because of these games. Now they all know that, but I think that it's gonna be kids' games each time. Why do I have this impression? Maybe because we began this episode with a kid game. Can it be the final one? Can it be the final game? You know, the 6th game, it's gonna be the game that they talked about at the beginning. Who was telling that story at the beginning? I'm not sure that it was Jae-hoon, you know, the voice. I'm gonna pay attention to that, you know, during the editing. Can it be possible that the person who told us that story at the beginning is the mastermind of it, and that first game that we saw at the beginning is gonna be the final one? See, another theory. Maybe it can be. And the fact, you know, that it was in black and white, that first scene, and it was a memory. I don't know why I'm focused that much on the grandpa. Maybe also because I watched too much all of the Saw movies. And you know, the fact that we have someone who is gonna die making experiences on people and all with desperate people. Maybe it's because of that I'm suspecting him. And again, maybe I'm totally wrong with that. We are close to the ocean, we are on an island. The fact that they showed us where it is, can it have its importance, you know? Maybe it can be important if at some point they're trying to escape and they're gonna see that they can't because they're on an island. I think that at some point they're gonna try to escape. I'm saying they, I don't know who really is gonna try to escape, but at least some people into that place are gonna try, and they're not gonna manage to escape because they're on an island. They had to show us that, and I think that they have also to create that moment with them trying to get out. I think that this show is gonna end with the final game and someone winning at the end. For now, I would place, you know, my bet on... I want to say on our guy, you know, the one that we are following since the beginning, on Jae-hoon. But I can imagine that the girl is clever enough to win at the end, taking advantage of everyone, not only of the guy, you know, that she knows. Ooh, that was so cool, that was so great. I have so many theories already and I really enjoyed it. I saw myself, you know, during it, I was like, okay, you're losing, you're disgusted, you're making theories, you're shocked also by things which are happening, you have some of your theories already right, you have some of them maybe already wrong also. I'm involved into it. I'm involved into the show. I'm not sure that at some point I'm gonna be involved with the characters, you know, I'm gonna care for them, I'm gonna cry for them and all. You know that I'm an emotional person. If you don't know it, hello. I'm an emotional person, and if I'm attached to the characters, I can cry really easily for them and all because I'm really attached to them, I'm involved with them. Right there, I don't know if it can be the case with that kind of show, you know, with that kind of mood. I don't know if it can work like that. Yeah. We'll see. I'm not gonna see that right now. Maybe later during the day I can watch the episode 2, I don't know. Be sure that I'm gonna react to this show, that I'm gonna react to all of these episodes. I don't know for the future seasons, because I don't know if we're gonna have one, and I don't know how this season is gonna end also. But be sure that I'm gonna watch this season, I'm gonna make reaction videos about it, and I hope that you're gonna stay with me for them, maybe. But not for today. Oh, and on my Patreon, oh, I don't know if I'm gonna put the 4 or the extended reaction part. Maybe more the extended reaction part because it was really a long episode. I'll see that, check the description to know that. It's all for you and for me for today, so it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye!
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Hey.